Good morning, traders, or hello, traders. How are you? I am Maddie. I think that you already know me by now. This is for the guys that they are already in my group channel. I hope you can hear me and that everything is going perfectly today. I was watching Euro GPY on the 4-hour and I can see that, let's say, it broke from the range zone. It came down to the daily support. If you remember 2 days ago when I had the live session and I said that here it's the daily support and the price will come, retest this area, and then most probably the price will continue to go down again to the daily support. In this case we need to wait. Yeah, it looks perfectly like a retest here. I want to delete everything because all the time when I'm coming into a new chart or charts, I clear everything and I take it from zero. So you should do the same because it will help you a lot in the future and it helps you a lot doing analysis. This is the best thing to do because like this you can have a fresh day, fresh start, and so on. So prepare all the time your charts and to have new setup and new ideas because the market all the time is moving. So you have to delete and come back with some fresh and new analysis. And now I am watching on the weekly Euro GPY. So here we have a very beautiful resistance. And if we go on the daily, like I was saying, here we have like break and retest, and now the price, it may continue to go down to the daily zone again, maybe to break it, we don't know. Depends a lot on what will happen this week or maybe next week, because this move they don't have to happen in just one day. My voice is not clear. Why? Let me do it again. Thank you for saying. Now it's okay? You can hear me? I don't know. I have a mic. They say that it's very good. It's snowball. It looks exactly like a ball. And they say that it's one of the best mics. So that's why I took it. And also I like very much the shape. Now, okay, perfect. Thank you. So you all the time you have to tell me if something is wrong. Maybe you don't see something. Maybe you don't hear me. It's very good that we communicate. So coming back to Euro GPY, looks like a break and retest. In my mind, now we have these beautiful clean candles here. And also if we look on the left side, we have the same thing. But all the time you have to wait and see exactly what the market gives you. Because in this case, the price can reject from this area. Why? Because here the price created like a support and it went up, breakthrough, came back down, up again, and so on. So you don't know how the price will react in this area again. Maybe it's going to reject, maybe it's going to come back again to 900 and then to come back down again. Okay, so never rush. Before taking a trade, you have to be very sure that it's the best opportunity for you to have to take pips. Okay, so you are here every day on this forex market to make money, not to lose money. So this you have to repeat it every day before going into the charts and before placing a trade. Okay, this is very, very important. Let me go to GJ. This is from the last time, the Fibonacci. It did already the Fibonacci. The thing is that now I am waiting to see how the price will move, and let me go to the daily chart because okay, and I can see that we can say that we are in an uptrend. Okay, the price is moving in upwards, and here we have this resistance. We can have the possibility that the price may continue to go down or to go up, sorry, to this zone at 142.730, let's say, where we have this wick. If not, then the price will reject from this area. And as you can see here, the price rejected already, and we have to wait at least half an hour to see how the price will close. Let's go to the 30-minute, because now the 30-minute candle in about 12 minutes it's going to close, and maybe it can give us a clear direction that maybe we can have a trade or not. Okay, you can hear me well. I am very happy to hear that. Do you have any questions, or do you want to see any pair before maybe, I don't know, having some trades? Because maybe I can find something here and I can take the trade with you here live like we did it 2 days ago. So if you have any questions and if you want to see any pair, please tell me, because I'm here for you to answer and so on. Let's see on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour it's rejecting. I can see that it's coming down beautifully, but I don't want to go now into a trade because I don't know exactly where it wants to stop and what it wants to do, and it's better to wait. I like to wait. I don't have any problem. I mean, no rush. USD CAD, you want to see USD CAD. This is the only pair that you are trading, or there are more pairs that you are trading? USD CAD, USD CAD. USD CAD, it's a little bit difficult because also I think that today Mr. President Biden is going to come and have a speech. I think it's about 6 o'clock my time, Romanian time. I don't know you from which countries you are exactly, and maybe, I don't know, it's possible, we don't know, that all the pairs with USD to make little moves. I don't know, it's possible. Depends a lot of what Mr. Biden will say. Well, let me go straight from the weekly because it's better like this. That's why I didn't understand anything when I was looking on the charts. Now I delete it. So here we have the support. Okay, as you can see that the price is rejecting from this area, and it's 1.26300, and in the same time, where is it, my brush? Here we have this rejection, this rejection, this rejection, and also here we have another rejection, and so on. So think that the price will reject from this area, okay? And now it looks like the price is trying to create on the weekly, remember that, okay? It's trying to create like a support, and if it's going to break this zone at, where is it, 1.27600, and the price, it may continue to go up to retest again this area where, as you can see, we have many other rejections. Okay, so we have, again I need my brush, okay, so we have this zone, this one that rejected, this one, this area, and this one again. So I can tell you that on the weekly it seems like the price is trying to create like a support for the price continue to go up. I can tell you that you don't have to rush, and if you really trade only this pair, the only thing that you need is to wait and to have the best confirmation. And before going into the trade, you have to see where you have you have to identify where you have your support and resistance, and like this you can know from where to have the buy or the sell. Need trading now but interested. UK what? Mr. Mihai, what do you want to say? Okay, let's go on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour on USD CAD. It seems like the price is trying to create support, and as I said, it's trying to push up and maybe to retest again this zone and so on. So wait at least 1 hour and a half for USD CAD if you want to trade it. You see it's trying to move beautifully up, and now maybe it's going to stop around this area at 1.27200, because here we have a very ugly zone. So okay, you're asking me from where I am, so I said okay. Okay. Here is Rusu Mihai, but on your channel I'm Constantin Rus. Okay. Now I understand. I mixed I didn't know who you are, so okay. Do you want to see any other pairs? So for USD CAD, you have to wait and to see if the price is going up or down. The best way is to identify your support and resistance, and to see where you have your major let's say major points of rejections. And like this you can know if the price will reject from that area, come back down, and so on. I told you the price is moving exactly like a ball, up down up down up down, but it's in an uptrend or in a downtrend. So it's like very easy to identify if the price will reject from an area or not. And I think I can tell you, I think I can say that you can also control your emotions, because they are very, very important going into a trade. Okay, and also again, and I repeat, you have to identify your zones, before going into a trade. Hi Madi, you rock. Thank you so much. What do you think about Euro GBP? It has made an expected move today. Euro GBP, what I can say about Euro GBP? Where is it? Euro GBP. I think, let me put it on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, if you remember when I put this trend line, I think you remember. I think we are in the same situation, and from what I remember, I think that I put it also in the channel about the buy stop, I think, on Euro GBP. I don't want to mix things right now, but it looks like this was a range zone. If you remember, this happened 2 days ago when I had the live session, okay? Coming back on the 4 hour, you see that we have a trend line and that the price is respecting these trend lines and the trend line, because we have only one. And as you can see, we have these multiple touches here, rejections, and I think that 80% I can say that the price will reject from here, and it will retest again to this area at 0.88839, where we have the resistance. Let me go on the 1 hour. And on the 1 hour, it looks like the price is trying to reject this area to continue to go up. So in my mind, it's like the price, it may shoot up. Let me check also the group. Where is it? Not this one. I said yes, I said about Euro GBP that we can have a buy stop. I remembered very well. I have so many things in my computer, in my phone, my god, I don't know what I'm doing. And also with the students, and also I have to fix the how you say their homeworks, because if you will take lessons with me, I will give you some homework, and it's not easy because I have to prepare some papers and to send them to the students and so on. So I was saying that I remember exactly about Euro GBP, and look on the group, because I posted there that you should put like a buy stop for Euro GBP. So definitely this one, it's going to continue to go up, and then maybe it's going to retest this area and then to push down again, maybe to break this area where we have the trend line. If you do have any other questions, please ask me, because time is flying, and because I don't have too much time to stay live with you, because my students are waiting for me, and because I am becoming very, very busy, which I love it. But I'm still trying to come also here live for you, because I love doing this thing. Let me call it job. I don't know. Let's see that on the 1 hour, GJ, it's rejecting that area of 142,300. Where is it? Is it here? And now it's coming back down to this zone, and we have to wait to see if the price will create a support to continue to go up, or it's going to break it. and then to come back down again. We don't know. I think that yes, the new 30-minute candle just started, and it looks like it's trying to, now it started to be a bullish candle, but maybe it's going to go up only to create the wick, and then the price to continue to go down. I'm expecting the price to come back down again to this area of 141,800, and I'm really waiting to have a trade. You don't have any questions? You are you are very quiet today. Again, very quiet. And when you are on the group, you are like kids, jumping, screaming, writing, laughing. And here you are like school. Nobody's saying anything. Please look on the where is it? It's here. Euro GBP, I send it. Okay, a buy stop 88,678. Okay, so it's 678, and the price may continue to push up around this area at 89,286. Okay, so all the time look on the group chat and have a look of what I'm writing there. Okay, and now how what I was saying about this candle, that it started with bullish, and now I'm expecting the price to continue to go up a little bit, create a wick, and then to come back down to retest of 141,797. So let's see what the price will do. We still have 26 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and let's go on the 15-minute where you have your let's say smaller confirmation, but it's very nice to use it when you are going into a trade. So nothing special, the moves just happened. And remember that starting from now, the market will move sometimes very beautifully and calmly, and sometimes it's going to be like a storm, and usually the market will move aggressively, let's say starting from January, but let's say 20 or 25 from that period, and January, February and March we're gonna have some beautiful moves, believe me. I know what market is doing. And then April and so on, the market is moving too, but in February and March, very beautifully. That's why I said don't rush, because you have all the time in the world to take trades. And what else I wanted to say, that if you are not a full-time trader, you really don't have to rush taking trades. Okay, let's see, EuroCAD is playing between these two zones here that I put them. I think they are on the 4 hour, they are the wicks. Yeah, and it looks like it's rejecting this area, and maybe it's going to continue to come back down to retest again this zone. I don't see it from, because I have the mic, it's 1.53338. It's somewhere here around this area for who is trading euro CAD. Or maybe, who knows, it may reject from here. You have to wait at least the 4-hour candle to close, and like this you can have much better confirmations. Okay, coming back to euro GPY. Euro GPY, let me go on the, no, sorry, not daily, 4-hour. On the 4-hour, yeah, we have the possibility that the candle, it may continue to go down to retest again this zone, but we don't know. We have to wait. We have to wait all the time. We have to wait, and you have to be very confident before going into the trade. You see me, I'm very relaxed. I'm not in a rush to do anything, because I know that if I'm very calm, and if I will do my analysis, and if I will place orders only because I have a trading plan, believe me, I feel very sure, and I can secure my profit, and I can make pips like this. Money, money, money. Who doesn't want to make money? To go on the trips, to buy clothes, to buy jewelries, cars, and so on. But first, you have to learn how to trade, and you have to be consistent, and you have to be every day, every day, every day, at least 3 or 4 hours a day to learn how to trade. Any other questions? Euro USD, nothing. I really don't like nothing at this hour, and I'm waiting for this half-an-hour candle to close. Maybe it can give us a better direction. Let me go on the 30-minute. $141. Yeah, we have this little mess here. If we put a line, it's like this, but yeah, I think that here there is no problem at all. Okay, I will be right back. Okay guys, I came back with the GJ that it's rejecting this area on the 30 minute at 141,936. And again, let's go on the 15 minute, because I can see that we still have 16 minutes for this 30 minute and 1 hour candle to close. And let's see what the price is trying to do here on the 15 minute chart when we have a very small confirmations. But sometimes in my case, it can guide me, it can gives me a very small direction when I waiting for the price to do something in my favor. Remember that we have a very, very difficult period of time of trading, and I say that starting from now, it's going to be very nice on the market, because the market starting from now, it will move also, because I don't know if you are checking every day the news, but only now we started to see the red news, the news with the red flag. That means that they are very important. And from now on, the market will move, and it will give us a very beautiful and good direction. Okay. Do you have any other questions? Now I can see for GJ, where is my mouse here, that it's trying to come back down again. We don't know, we have to wait. I don't like how the market looks today. What do you say? Come on guys, say something. Now if I will close the live session on the group chat, I told you, you're going to be like kids, jumping up and down. So in this case, for this pair, nothing really can happen. Maybe we can see here like a retest going up, maybe it's going to break this zone, coming back down, maybe even lower, and so on. So nothing really special. For Euro JPY, I can see that it's continue to go down, and it may push even lower. I think this is on the weekly, because sometimes I put lines. Wait, yes. From there, the price rejected from where I have this zone. This is the weekly support. Okay. What I can say and what advice I can give you is that definitely you have to wait for this 1 hour candle to close, and maybe the 4 hour candle, because it's very difficult right now to go into a trade, because you don't really have any clear direction. Because for example, in this case of Euro JPY, the price may reject from here to come back up again, and then to come back down. So I don't want to go into a trade without having um, a very good confirmation and without having a very good plan. Okay. So yes, definitely here we have to wait also on the 30-minute and the 15. The 15 looks like it didn't close without the wick. That means that this candle, it doesn't have the range for the price to continue to go down. That means that it may reject from this area, come back up again and then back down. Let's go back to GJ. Maybe the price, it's moving, but I don't see nothing special. Now in the last 10 minutes the price started to move and to continue to go down. And maybe GBP New Zealand is doing the same thing. It's pushing to go down, and maybe it's going to go down even deeper. But let me look how the price it looks on the 4-hour charts. Yes, definitely the price, if it's going to pass through this zone, I'm saying this at 1.91491. I think I said it correctly. Yes, let's say 91,500. If the price is going to break this area where we have these 3 rejections, then the price, it has the power to continue to go down, maybe to retest again this area at 1.91,134. And if you look even, if you pay more attention, and if you look on the left side, you can watch and see another rejection that we have it here. Let me do it. The brush. So this one, it match with this one, okay? And this rejection, it match with these 2 rejections from here, and we have to see how the price will react, okay? So I hope that every weekend after I post my analysis, you are going through them, and you're looking through them to see what the market can do in the next week. And I hope you are doing this not just like this for fun, because maybe you are trying to find a new pair that you're trading and you really want to see how the market it may move, because here we have only a probability. We don't have everything 100% sure. It doesn't exist something like this, but with a probability of 60 or 70%, we can anticipate what it may happen on the market on the next week. So please, all the time, go on the trading view and have a look of what I said on the analysis, and maybe there you will find also your pair that you are trading usually. Also, at my students, I tell them that don't trade more than 2 pairs because you will not understand anything about what's happening on the market, and you have to know very well, let's say, those two pairs, because you have to understand what's happening with the news, with that country, with the economic, and how the price is moving and why it's moving in that direction, and so on. There are a lot of major factors that they move the price. That's why don't go for 10 pairs, because you will not understand anything. And if I will put you questions about, I don't know, Euro GPI, you will not understand anything, and you will know nothing about that pair and what to answer me. That's why it's better to take one or two pairs, learn them very well, and like this you can anticipate what move they can make in the next period, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and so on. Okay. And to do this you need a lot of experience, and you need thousands of hours in front of the computer, learning every day, doing a trading plan, respecting what you said there on the trading plan, do everyday analysis, put them, let's say, on the demo account, because you don't have to kill your money. Put them on the demo, and like this you can learn how to trade, how to risk, how to manage your money, because you can read, let's say, I don't know, 10 books, but if you don't know how to manage your trades, then you're done, you're dead. You are going to kill your account. And it's very, very, very important, the risk management, and how to control your emotions, you know. And the best traders, let's say, are that ones that they are playing poker, that they are usually players, you know. They are not afraid of competition, and sometimes they say that they are not afraid of anything. They like this kind of games, you know. And it's about the same feeling. They like playing. So be careful and don't play with fire. That means that don't play with your money. And I suggest you that sometimes to trade your new ideas on the demo. Okay? Not, for example, my ideas or some other guys that they are sending signals, or they are doing I don't know, courses with students and so on. You have to put your own ideas on demo. Don't play with a lot size of 50 or 10. Put the lot size that you are using normally in the real account, because like this you can see if you can grow it or not. Okay, so keep that in mind, and don't forget, and I repeat, and I think that I should repeat every day for you to understand that this is not a business, and here we are not playing. That's why I don't want to give signals and play with my money and with your money. Only when I'm 100% sure, let's say, it doesn't exist something like this. 99% of the time when I'm sure, I can give you a trade. Okay, so don't think that if I'm coming here on the live session and I'm not doing a trade, that this it doesn't mean that I didn't, how you say, I didn't do it because I didn't find the best opportunity for you to make money and for me to make money in the same time. Okay, so I'm here to continue my business, not to play with my time, with my money, and with your time and with your money. Okay, and you are here to learn, because some of you, maybe you don't have the possibility right now in this moment to take the courses with me. But sometimes when I'm coming live and also on the group chat, I explain some little things, and if you have a pen and a paper, you can write them, and at the end of the day, you will see that sometimes 90% of the time I was right, and I gave you some beautiful tips. Like for example here on the Euro GPY on the 4 hour, and please all the time, I think this move it happened on the Asia session, okay, that's why I couldn't catch it, but if you remember, I wanted to give here a buy, but it was on the Asia session, so in that session I am sleeping, and all the time you have to find the break and retest, okay, so put this like a note, and this is how it looks, a break and retest, and you will know that from here you can have a sell. Now it's too late for me to have a sell in this moment, and that's why I'm waiting, because I want to find the best how you say, the best chart and the best arrangement of the candles to give me the possibility to have a buy or a sell. Now the 1 hour candle is just finished, so we still have 1 hour for the 4 hour candle to close. Maybe it can give Euro IUD, let me speak. Maybe the price will continue to push down. Maybe you are in a trade, I don't know, some of you. So if you are in a trade, for those that they had already a sell on Euro GPY, you just have to secure your trade. And if some of you had a buy on Euro GPY, use all the time stop loss, because the market can eat you alive. I can see that you don't have too many questions, and I think that I will head off also, because I have to prepare some stuff for the students. Also, don't forget that I will remind you that in this half an hour the price, it will move so and so, but it's possible that in the last 15 minutes, when the 4 hour candle will close, that the market will push a little bit the price, okay. This is for almost all the pairs that they function now in this session, okay, of New York and London. GBP USD, it's like it's rejecting from this area, so all the time now you have a very good possibility. It's simple. For example, if you're trading GU and you want to have a sell or a buy in this case, okay, now you can see that you have a support at 1.36600, okay, and it's simple. If you will see that in this 1 hour the candle will close above this support, that means that the next candle, it should continue to go up, because here it's like telling me that here the price is trying to create like a support, and if the price is going to close under this support, that means it's going to become the resistance. That means that the price will continue to go down, but don't go for more than 10-15 pips, because you never know until where the price will move, okay. Maybe it may move to the next where is it, to the next support or resistance. And if you go here and you make a line, you will see that you have exactly the direction where the price, it may continue to go. it's almost here. Okay, it's here also because as you can see we have this rejection. Here the price created like a support, but they had momentum and the price breakthrough and so on. So it's simple. If you want to have a trade, for example at GU, I gave you an example, you just have to wait at least now 1 hour for the price to give you a direction. If it's going to close above, then you can have a buy. If it's going to close under, then you can have a sell. All the time sell at the resistance and buy at the support, but all the time when you have confirmation and when you see that the price is rejecting at the resistance, and when you see that the price is creating a support at the support zone. Okay, so don't rush. Only when you have the best opportunity you can have a trade. For the rest of the people that they are watching me and they are in my group, I am waiting for you on the group chat, and I can see that on the live session you are not so alive, and I'm speaking about I don't know, I'm speaking 90% of the time, and you don't want to put any questions, but you will be more alive on the group chat, but there is no problem. And I am very sorry that I couldn't find any trade in this moment for you to give it to you right now. Look at GJ. For example, GJ now it's trying to reject this area, okay? And if you see in this hour that the price it's rejecting and it's creating like a support, then maybe in the next candle you can have a buy, and your stop loss it doesn't have to be more than 10 or 15 pips, you know, because it has to be 101. If you take a trade of 10-15 pips, then your stop loss it should be almost the same, but you have to find the best opportunity and you have to put your stop loss at the end of a week, and the week it should be or here in this area at 141,800, where you can see this little wick here, or you can have your stop loss at 141,832, where you have here the end of this week. Okay, so this is like a little bit from the risk management, and you have to learn more how to protect your pips, and you have to move very fast if you feel and if you see that the candles are not going into your favor. Okay, all the time keep that in mind. So protect your money. This is one of the most important things. So again, also for Euro GBP, if the price is creating here a support, then you can have a buy. If it's going to close under this support, then it's going to become a resistance, and maybe the price it may continue to shoot down, maybe to fill this week. So the best way is to wait, because also you don't have any other things to do. But if I'm looking here on the 15 minutes, I can see this candle, this pin I call it, okay, that it's showing me that it's possible that the price it may reject from this area. So we have to wait. I don't want to put any trade right now, because I don't want to place you in a bad position, because I need to be 99% sure that the trade is going into my favor, because I don't want to lose money and you to lose money. So I'm going to finish my stuff. In the same time, I am waiting for you on the group chat, where we can discuss more, and if I see and find anything to trade, I will tell you. In the same time, for those that they are watching GJ and the other pairs that I told you, wait for the price to give a direction, and wait for the price at least 1 hour for the candle to close. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and maybe it's possible to see me tomorrow too on the live session. Okay, thank you so much, and take care of you. Okay, thank you.